As a publisher, bringing an author's story to life requires more than just words. But keeping their brain consistent across platforms, well, that can feel impossible. In a world flooded with stories, how do you make your author's voices rise above the noise? Aligning an author's unique vision with the realities of the marketplace can make you feel like you're walking a tightrope. When you're balancing 100 different things, there's little time to get creative. And cookie cutter designs just don't cut it anymore. Hi, I'm Aiden, and I'm the perfect designer for you to partner with. With me, your author's stories don't just get told, they get remembered. Compelling visuals don't just catch the eye, they hold attention. Media Kits, EPKs, and Amazon A+ content crafted with precision engages your target audience from the very first glance. With expert design, you can stop worrying about missed opportunities and focus on what truly matters. Sharing your author's stories with the world. Let's elevate your author's stories together. Contact me today for custom designed media kits, EPKs, and amazing Amazon A+ content.